why are microorganisms are going to cause disease means, okay, they need food, they need nutrition. Okay, they will take nutrition from our body. They are entering inside of our body and they are going to live inside of our body and take nutrition. So our body act as host to microorganisms. Here host is human being, where microorganism is guest. Okay, that will come and enter into our body. There will be interaction is going to takes place. They need nutrition so that the disease is going to attack through microbes. And what about helminths? Helminths are called as parasitic worms. Parasitic worms. You have heard about tapeworms, flatworms. Like elemental diseases are going to cause by this helminths. They are going to present in our they are going to live as host in our small intestine like stomach and going to cause elemental diseases. Okay, we can discuss one by one. Okay, different class group of microorganisms. First we can go with the bacterial diseases. What are bacterial diseases? The disease which is going to cause through bacteria, that is called as a bacterial diseases. There are several diseases. Okay, in our textbook syllabus they have mentioned two diseases. One is typhoid and another one is pneumonia. That one we can concentrate. Okay, typhoid. You have heard this disease. It's a common disease which is going to cause in human beings. Most of you have experienced also. Okay, it's a severe disease. Typhoid means which have high fever, and in case of severity, a person is going to lead to death also. It's a severe disease only, typhoid. Okay, it is going to cause it through pathogen. Here pathogen is called as a microorganism. Okay, which microorganism the typhoid is going to cause means very important one for you. 1 mark definitely they will ask. Okay, which pathogen typhoid disease is going to cause means Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi. Be careful while writing Salmonella typhi. The spelling should be fluent and correct. And while writing, you have to write the S as capital letter. Always capital letter. We should start by writing a scientific name. This is a species name, this is genus name. Genus name you can write through small letter only, but whereas species letter you have to mention in capital letter only. Through which pathogen Salmonella typhi, the typhoid disease is going to cause in human beings. What are the organs are going to affect usually when this disease is going to cause means our small intestine in stomach is going to affect, and that could migrate to other organs through blood. Through blood only, no, the disease is going to cause. Okay, migrate to other organs through blood. That are the organs is going to affect. Next is method of transmission. Usually method of transmission through contaminated food and water. When water is said to be contaminated, okay, and food is said to be contaminated. Contaminated means waste. Through that waste food and water only, the disease is going to cause common. And what are the symptoms we are going to see in typhoid patient? General symptoms. First symptom is sustained high fever. Okay, the fever will be sustained. It remains inside of the body. The temperature like that only. That is 39 to 40 degrees Celsius. It is said to be sustained, fixed. First one. Next one is usually weakness, stomach pain, constipation, headache, and loss of loss of appetite. Loss of appetite means we should not be hungry. Hungry does not, we should not feel hungry when typhoid is going to cause. Headache will be common. And constipation word here. Constipation means it is related to digestive system. While going to bathroom, okay, while going to bathroom, the constipation, which means very hard feces we are going to get. Okay, that is called as a constipation. Next, in intestinal perforation and death may occur. In severe condition, death may occur. And intestinal perforation. Intestinal perforation means high stomach pain is going to, we feel that symptoms. And to test typhoid, what are the which test usually going to take place in hospitals means Wilder test. Okay, Wilder test in the sense taking blood sample and they are going for test that is called as Wilder test. In the blood itself, the bacterium is going to survive, that can be spread through all our body and contaminate the blood with this bacteria, that is Salmonella typhi. Wilder test is the test to confirm that typhoid. Next is pneumonia. Pneumonia is it's a shivering disease through which bacteria it is going to cause a Streptococcus pneumonia. This is one bacterium, and Haemophilus influenza. It is another one bacterium. You should remember one bacterium, that is enough. Through two bacteria, pneumonia disease is going to occur. Streptococcus pneumonia and another one is Haemophilus influenza. Next, what are the organs are said to be affected? Usually alveoli, lungs, that is lung system, and alveoli gets filled with the fluid. That alveoli is going to fill it with the fluid. Next, mode of transmission. Mode of transmission is going to take place through respiration, inhaling. Inhaling means intake of oxygen, the droplets, like aerosols. Aerosols are nothing but droplets only, water drops released by infected person. Okay, when an infected person, while he was respiring, at that time the droplets will come out, no? Okay, through that mode of transmission occur. Sharing glasses through infected person and other utensils like glasses, plates, like that. Next, what are the common symptoms we are going to see? Okay, pneumonia means chills, that is shivering, fever, commonly headache. And another one thing, in severe case of pneumonia, the patient lips and nails, they are going to turn into bluish color. Bluish color. Okay, this is about today video class. We have completed bacterial diseases. One is typhoid and another one is pneumonia. In exam, how they are going to ask means in one word means through which microbe the typhoid disease is going to cause, through which microbe pneumonia disease is going to cause. Usually they will ask symptoms. If you write general symptoms, that is 3 to 4 symptoms, if you write, that's enough. In next video class, we can study about protozoal, that is viral disease, that is common cold, and another one is protozoal disease, that is malaria. That one we can See, hope you all understood. Thank you.